First and foremost, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Prime Minister Modi and India for organizing this meeting. Then, Mr. Joe Biden, President of America. This is very important project. Everything was said on this very important project. We are committed. We had several exchanges with my friends Mohammed bin Zayed. Thank you, Your Highness. This is very important project. Now with this European Commission, we have got European government. We commit to invest alongside you on building this road. This is very important and meritorious project from Asia, Middle East to Europe to offer a big opportunity and connect with people. But as well, our intention is to be real, to make it sure after completing this concert result, we have especially to have first global grand trade, meaning high networks of transports, infrastructure, to be sure that we have best technologies, we have best hydrogen on being part of this very important project. We channel all the possible common developments. As well, our intention is to have a fair process, meaning offering a lot of opportunities to the manufacturer in different countries and to cooperate on building their activities, building innovation, going with it and innovating together. The slogan of Mr. Prime Minister Modi, one nation, one earth, one future, is appreciable and commendable. The biggest and major success of G20 is that now G20 is G21. We anticipate a relationship that is in the France strategic partnership will grow in the future in resisting for the fragmentation of the world. I don't want to be longer. Thank you very much for this ceremony. Thank you.